Hello, and welcome to this video on how to read anyone instantly, 10 psychological tips. Have you ever been in a situation where you wish you could read someone's mind and understand what they're really thinking or feeling? Well, the good news is that it's not impossible to do so. In this video, we're going to explore 10 psychological tips that will help you read anyone instantly. Pay attention to their body language. Body language can reveal a lot about a person's true feelings and intentions. Pay attention to their posture, eye contact, facial expressions, and gestures. For example, if someone is crossing their arms, it may indicate that they're closed off or defensive. If they're avoiding eye contact, they may be hiding something or feeling uncomfortable. Observe their micro-expressions. Micro-expressions are brief facial expressions that reveal a person's true emotions. They happen so quickly that they're often missed, but with practice, you can learn to spot them. Look for subtle changes in their facial muscles, such as a twitch of the lip or a furrowed brow. Listen to their tone of voice. The tone of someone's voice can reveal a lot about their emotions and intentions. Pay attention to their tone, pitch, and speed of speech. For example, if someone's voice is shaky or quivering, they may be nervous or scared. If their voice is monotone, they may be bored or disinterested. Notice their breathing. The way someone breathes can reveal their emotional state. For example, if someone is breathing rapidly, they may be anxious or excited. If they're breathing slowly and deeply, they may be relaxed or calm. Watch their eye movements. Eye movements can indicate a person's thought process. For example, if someone is looking up and to the right, they may be accessing their imagination or creating a mental image. If they're looking down and to the left, they may be recalling a memory. Pay attention to their surroundings. The environment a person is in can reveal a lot about them. For example, if someone keeps their workspace neat and organized, they may be detail-oriented and focused. If they have pictures of their family or pets around them, they may value relationships and connection. Notice their grooming and clothing. A person's grooming and clothing choices can reveal a lot about their personality and values. For example, someone who is always impeccably dressed and groomed may value professionalism and attention to detail. Someone who dresses more casually may value comfort and practicality. Ask open-ended questions. Asking open-ended questions can reveal a lot about a person's thoughts and feelings. Instead of asking yes or no questions, ask questions that encourage the person to share more about themselves. For example, instead of asking, "Do you like your job?" ask, "What do you enjoy most about your job?" Listen actively. Active listening is key to understanding someone's thoughts and feelings. When someone is speaking, give them your full attention and listen to what they're saying. Avoid interrupting or making assumptions about what they're saying. Trust your intuition. Finally, trust your intuition. Your gut instinct can often pick up on subtle cues that your conscious mind may miss. If something doesn't feel right, trust that feeling and investigate further. Conclusion. Learning to read anyone instantly is not an exact science, but with practice and observation, you can become more skilled at understanding people's thoughts and feelings. Remember that everyone is unique and complex, and these tips are just a starting point for understanding others. It's important to keep in mind that while these tips can be helpful, they should be used with caution. It's not fair or ethical to make assumptions or judgments about someone based solely on their nonverbal cues or external appearance. Instead, use these tips to supplement your interactions and conversations with others, not to replace them. In conclusion, by practicing these 10 psychological tips, you can become more skilled at reading anyone instantly. Pay attention to their body language, micro-expressions, tone of voice, breathing, eye movements, surroundings, grooming, and clothing choices. Ask open-ended questions, actively listen, and trust your intuition. With time and practice, you can develop a better understanding of those around you and improve your interpersonal relationships. Thank you for taking the time to watch this informative video on how to read anyone instantly, 10 psychological tips. If you found this content useful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for weekly updates and more informative videos. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing more valuable insights with you in the future.